Okay, so in order to make our Tkinter calculator, we first need to make a normal calculator. And this is a pretty simple process, so we're going to start by getting some inputs from the user. So to do that, I'm going to get straight into this. It's going to be super fast paced, but the actual file will be in the description. So if you want to look over that and understand how the calculator works, or try and make one for yourself, I can make an extended series on that. So we're going to simply ask for an input, but for that we need variables. So I'm going to say input 1, or let's say number 1 equals 0, number 2 equals 0 as well, and I can say print, or not print, number 1 equals to input, or um, int input, um, what first number, and we can just basically copy and paste this and go from first to second. And so now that we have our basic inputs, we can test that out. Awesome. And now we're just going to print the number one plus number 2, just to see if everything is working as it should be. So I'm going to plus 8 and 8 again. That's going to get me 16, obviously. And great, so everything is now working. So now we're just going to print, here are your options. So this is the options for which operation that you want to do. So for example, one for add, print two, two for minus, and then you can do sort of print 3 for multiply, multiply. There we go. I keep doing that. Print 4 for divide. Want to make it look nice and pretty. Save that, and then we can say set operation value. So set which operation equal to 0, and then we can just say which operation is equal to input, which operation, and then we can give this actually an int so we can work with it. And so that's basically going to say 8, 9, and this is going to give us an option. So say I want to minus it, I will type 2, and now we just create a whole bunch of if and then if else statements. So if which so yeah, we do need brackets. So if, let me just do that. So this is reading this, we do 1, then we do that, and we say take number 1 and add number 2, and we can just say print. Make it nice and easy. And then else if, so that's elif, not full else. We can type which operation again is equal to 2 this time. Then we print number 1 minus number 2. Then we go elif again, which operation equals 3, and I believe that was multiply, so we then print num1 times num2, and the last elif, which operation equals 4, which is divide. Yes, that's divide, so we print number 1 slash number 2. Awesome. And that should, and then yeah, so that should give us our outputs. Here, let's see. First number 8 and 9, and I want to multiply them. There we go. We get our outputs. Nice and simple. So this is the very basic of basic code which goes into a calculator. As you can see, it's nice and compact, nice and simple. One of the easiest things you can build in Python. So I can go through on a full series of this, explaining each and every part of it.